Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a BMW 5 Series generation F10 guys. If you want to see how to replace trunk supports, trunk shocks, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. They're a little bit complicated and there is difference between left and right. So we'll talk about that to make sure you install them correctly. Otherwise things may not work and you may damage it guys. Also we'll share where you can buy them at a good price, quick shipping, where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste money and time, or that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays, engine and transmission problems. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 14 to 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. Those are videos guys that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Please subscribe so we can keep making these free videos for you. So what are we guys going to do next? Now we need to remove that piece right here. And how we do that, we're going to leave the carpet liner now. And here, we're supposed to have a clip, one is missing, but we'll show you on the next one. You pull the middle piece out, you pull the clip like that. So that's the third one right there. And then we have one more on the passenger side. Okay, right there, perfect. Now, that piece guys, okay, let's look at it now to see if we have anything else holding it. It shouldn't. Okay, let's inspect. Okay, let me see here, it might be still holding somewhere, probably has a clip. Okay, let's see on this side now if we'll be able to pull it out. Okay, something's holding here, it looks like. Let me see, make sure we don't have anything underneath. It looks like we don't guys. Okay, most likely it has a clip. Let me see what kind of clip it has on this side so we know what to expect. Okay, we need to go up. We need to go up first. Okay, like this one. And then we go back. Okay, that container here, it might have two plastic nuts there. You might need to remove it guys. Okay, to be able to slide the piece out. Your serial lighter will be here, careful. Okay, right there. And this one, for some reason somebody removed it and it was unplugged, so it didn't work, as you can see. So you have the cable there if you need to remove it. Quite a bit of sand from the beach here, so we'll need to clean all that stuff. Next we need to pull the whole bottom carpet liner here, and now we need to start guys, okay, removing these panels right here. So we don't need to remove all the way, all of them, but what we need to do now, let's start with that clip right here. We'll remove that one. Okay, perfect, this one came out. Now on this side we have exactly the same thing. Okay, perfect. Here, let's see now, okay, if we're going to have enough room for everything, we need to disconnect the fuel opener here. It needs to go through the thing because we'll need to pull that thing a little bit to the side guys. Here on the back we have another one, another clip that we need to remove, and on this side the one here is missing. Somebody took that car apart in the past and you can see now so a few things are missing here and there. That's why it's important to put it together exactly the same way you guys took it apart. So, okay, that carpet liner came out just like this one on this side. Let's go ahead and do that side now here on this side. So we can continue with the next step. Let's pull it out. It goes under the seal, around the hinge there. Perfect. Okay, just like that. Do not bend them too much because you can crack those sometimes. So next, guys, okay, now here what we need to do, get the prying tool and we need to pop that thing open. Okay, let's see if we can get there to remove it. It doesn't have any pressure on it now. The trunk needs to be closed, open all the way, excuse me. So trying to get a little bit of light here. Okay, it came loose on this side. Now on the other side, right there. Okay, it will be a little bit easier. On the other side, it just slides over, guys. Okay, you kind of like wiggle it, go in an angle, and it's gonna come out. Okay, let's hold the trunk for a second because it's gonna fall on you. Okay, this is the old one now. There are two different ones, guys, when you buy them. One is long, one is short. Now you can see this is the short one, goes on the left side of the car, the long one goes on the right side. So that's the one, okay, that we need to use now. This one, okay, right there. So we'll go ahead. That's a pretty heavy trunk, guys. So we're going to go ahead, open it now and install it. Now, guys, one of the sides you see on this one is just a hook, so it goes through the metal piece, okay, right there. So all we have to do, slide it over. So we'll go ahead, install it the correct way. Okay, if for some reason it cannot go so easy, you might need to apply a little bit of oil, because that one will be super tight. So lubricate it a little bit, guys. Lubricate it a little bit, and maybe even the metal hook right there, okay, so it can slide over. So we'll get a little bit of grease, just a little bit, apply here so it can slide over, because that thing is pretty tight when it's new, guys. Okay, great. Okay, now we're ready to go ahead and install it. Let's see now if it's going to go over. It's a little bit inconvenient, guys, but it was a piece of cake. Check this thing out now. It slided over with ease. Okay, perfect. Now, okay, we need to compress it a little bit. Okay, let me go ahead. I need to close the hood, the trunk a little bit to adjust it to where it comes aligned. And now we push it in. Okay, perfect. Now this one is holding, and you can hear the shock. It's integrating the spring, but it's still not holding enough, guys. Okay, you can see just like that. So on the left side, we took it apart while we were on the road because it broke in two pieces and it started rattling, guys, one time. But that's the old one. It completely fell apart. That's the new one now. On the left side, it's shorter than the right side. You need to pay attention to that. So we're going to go ahead, get it. Now, if you're paying attention, guys, the hook there, okay, is curved to the front. So if you go in an angle, it's easily installed, guys, okay. Sometimes you don't even need to apply grease, depending on how tight they are. Now, that's where it touches. I need to open or close. Let me see. Okay, right there. Perfect. And let's hear that click. Perfect. Let's see if the trunk stays open now. Wow, check this thing out. Okay, let's try again. And you can see that fixed the problem, guys. So guys, we replaced them, and now you can see the trunk opens really nicely, okay, and it cannot fall on you and hurt you, and also it stays up. This is very important, guys, because that's a heavy trunk, and if it falls on you, it can hurt you really bad, especially if you have kids. It can, guys, break their necks. So you have to be extremely careful with these things. Always fix them on time. It's not worth the risk when it costs only a few dollars, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.